Para babos din. Tinapos ako ng hininga. It's me again, it's Babe. So kakantahin natin yung I Will Always Love You ni Whitney Houston. So try natin kung kakayanin ba ng powers ko. So, let's sing. If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And will always love you. I will always love you. Medyo nagali. You, my darling, you. Bittersweet memories, that is all I'm thinking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. What? You don't know I'm never you need, and I will always love you. I will always love you. Grabe mga kabebs, ang taas. Parang hindi na kinakaya ng balon-balunan ko. Pero, sige pa rin. Para ma-practice natin yung boses natin, di ba? Baka magkaroon ng improvement. Grabe, nawawawis na ako. I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have a dream of, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love. Ito na naman. And I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always. Tinapos ako ng hininga. Love you. Grabe, guys! Ay, nakadali! I love you. Oh, I will always love you. Ay, hindi kinaya ng powers ko. Ay, nako, pasensya na.